That'll do, wig. That'll do.
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice. There's no place like home. No place like home.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by KIERASHON Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, I call KIERASHON Hair a fast fashion brand. It's no shade to them. It's based on what they offer, okay? Their textures and all that kind of stuff. But when it comes to this yak, you're not gonna tell me I didn't spend hours in the salon getting my ears burned. Listen to me. Now we do got some things to talk about, so make sure you keep watching the video before you press buy. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her Wawa, okay, because it is the holiday weekend and family is coming in and they bring in the bottles. So I gotta hydrate and prepare myself. I'm ready, mama. Getting to the age where you have fun with your mom is just, I love it here. And it's still Wigmas, so make sure you check out the pinned comment down below for the giveaway, okay? Before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from KIERASHON Hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is another pre-cut closure wig. Wig on, wig off. Yeah, beginner bay. And this is a yak from KIERASHON. When I tell you, this is probably the best natural texture I have felt from KIERASHON. If you've been here for a while, you've seen me do other natural texture wigs from this brand, specifically kinky. They more, you know, but this one feels pretty good. Now, is it the softest? No. And based on that, it will get stiff after a while. But I do like this texture for my Yaki wigs because you can press it out and give it a more sleek look. Let me see. She doesn't really have a strong chemical smell, but I'm still going to spray her down a little bit with my dry shampoo. As always, wash your wigs. When it comes to the natural textured wigs, you know, the Yaki straight, kinky straight, more than likely this hair will swell after you wash and blow dry it. So you will need to sleek it out with your blow dryer brush or your flat iron or your hot comb. Like I said, it doesn't really have a chemical smell. That's a shocker too, KIERASHON. I'm okay, you 2 for 2 right now. I am gonna loosen up my elastic band because this baby is tight on me. Big head friendly cap is one thing. KIERASHON is just like, look, take the standard and get out of my face. So peanut gallery, you got one, okay? Big head gang, we can make her work, but you may need to take off that elastic band after a couple hours. Do I want to tip my lace? Let me do that first because it was a little ashy. I use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder right around the hairline like so. Hold on, flip. Let me make sure my wig cap is down on the front. Don't want this on my hairline. I'm trying to grow my hairline in, and resting that right on my hairline is gonna pull it right out. I am a little worried about my lace. The way they cut it off is actually really short. Like they cut it right against the hairline. So when I go to, like, if I wanted to pull it back, it's gonna keep doing that. It's gonna lift. Now, KIERASHON, you ain't been doing that. Why you do that this time? Now, normally I would say, oh, cut off your excess lace. Yes, cut off the excess lace for your face. But when it comes to you cutting it too short, it may not fit around the buyer's hairline, so you get buckling and lifting. I will probably end up spraying mine down around here for the look that I want, because I want to try to do some styling with this wig and I don't want to deal with a whole bunch of gathering, you know, in my front. I can definitely feel the snugness up in here, like it's not moving from here, but like the front, y'all see when I pull it back to do like a little thing, it's gonna give me that. The hairline, you can't really see it again because they cut it so far back, but for what they have, I can, you know, I can work with that. So I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse first to mold the hairline so you can see if I can fix it. My makeup is definitely coming off and that's okay. Where are my other brushes? I'm just breaking up the hairline a bit. The mousse helps mold it. So just brush down what you need. Y'all see I didn't swoop anything. Let me do it on this side. Let me push this back. Taking the brush, I'm just pulling hair down like this. And it's doing that. If you don't know how to swoop, try it, and that'll help with the wispy look as well because this is a straight unit, so you're not gonna get that curly effect around your hairline. Just do that and you'll be fine. That'll do, wig. That'll do. They did send your girl a band. All right, let's see. Now for the hair, I am going to sleek it out with my blow dryer brush. The hair is very, like, I don't know if y'all can hear it. Like you can feel that roughness in the hair. But for Klaiyi, this is definitely a step up, I feel like, because their hair is normally like very silky, sleek, even though it's supposed to be kinky. This definitely gives a more natural look. Again, it may not be the softest, but we're gonna try to fix that. High heat, let's go. Listen, if you don't have a blow dry brush, I'm gonna need you to get it up. Y'all know where mine is in my description box. Before I do my makeup, let me just press it out a little bit with the Tymo. Please don't burn the hair. Please don't burn the hair. Try to do one pass. I think that should be it. I have it on setting number 3. Just trying to get that roughness out of the hair. Ooh, okay. Calling all those layers to the front. This side feels a little rougher. I am feeling some pulling on the hair, which is causing some shedding. So you more than likely will get shedding on yours. The hair seems like it has like kind of long layers. This side more than the other. Y'all, use your hot tools. This texture is responding very well to the heat. Y'all see that? Press, 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 press. This is from Klaiyi? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair back off my face so I can do my makeup, and then we'll come back and finish up the styling. I think I'm gonna put some curls in her because, yeah, that hair is definitely rough in there. It's not tingling, but it's like snags. But it's a lot silkier than it was, so I ain't gonna worry about it too much. If you have that other wig, the bob one, the updated one that I did, what was this, a couple months ago, of the pre-cut bob, similar texture, that's what it feels like. Okay, this one is just longer. Y'all know they in the same factory, so. All right, so I'm just gonna curl it up, curl it up. Hold it up. Maybe I'll have to do 4 curls. We gonna see. I probably should have used my bigger curling iron for this one since this hair is longer. Let me just turn this bad boy up. I don't wanna burn the hair now, so let me be careful. I can smell it. I knew it was you. I can smell you getting off the elevator. Here we go. Miss you, miss you. Hold that up and get my hairspray. Can I one-hand it? All right, I'm gonna spray the end of the hair where the curls are. Very lightly, nothing crazy. I got that on my daggone sleeve. Just a little. Giddy up. We don't show. That's not Christmas. I can never get this right. Which way I'm supposed to be going? I think this is how I curl the other side. This looks really healthy though. Hold it, hold it. Why am I struggling, child? Let me hold it, try to hold it with my other hand. Not my strong hand. Look, see, not my strong hand. That's why I got it everywhere. On my shirt. You know what? Let me just, I feel like I done got it in my armpit hair. It's cold outside, okay? I need my body heat. Take off the band so we can see how it's sitting. Ah, golly. All right, looking pretty good. I just dropped my clip. I'm picking it up with my foot. Don't judge me. I am lazy. All right, let me bring that back. Get the hairline straight. I can probably cut some of this a little shorter just so I can give that look. Cut this off. Oh, I mean, I probably could have cut that before I moussed her down. Okay, I'm gonna use my melt spray. You can use whatever you have. Okay, even got to be. I like using this. I've been using it for the last like month or so. It gives me a very seamless melt around my lace. So I'm gonna fold this back. I'm gonna spray it across the front. Fold it right back down. And when I have that spray on there, I can kind of finagle the hairline a little bit more. Just hold it and brush. Hold this one back. Let me spray it one more time on top. Okay, I was about to put that by the heat source. Let me not blow this joint up. Just brush out that crunchiness look. You'll know the crunchiness look. It will look really hard. Hold on, let me pull this out right here. Something was off and it was because there was too much hair right there. Take a little bit of my contour on the brush and then pat it on my paper and then blend around my hairline. Like so. And a lot of y'all be asking me for my contour. The contour depends on your skin tone and your makeup look. So don't go by mine, all right? The lighting can change how my skin tone looks. But I am using the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Cat Cena. So I don't have my grease in here, but I'm gonna use my light silk spray just across the top. The hair does have like a natural luster to it. I just wanna kind of add a little bit more to the top. I did not put any powder in the parting space because I do not feel like it is needed. Do I have a wide tooth comb in here? I mean, they sent me this little brush. Let me see if this brush will work. Okay, okay, okay. It works. And so did that hairspray. Thank you. And I think that's it for this look. Okay. Now, Klaiyi, you had to come this hard. You did. I'm proud of you. I really am. Y'all really came through with this texture. It's holding my curls. It looks really good. And it's still soft enough that I can lay up on my man. Come up close so y'all can see the hairline. She did melt really nicely. Look. What am I doing? Well, you're not talking like a baby, are you? No. Okay. I have no complaints about this wig whatsoever. I mean, you know, wait, hold up. The cutting of the lace. I wanted to wear this glueless so bad, but I couldn't. Just because the lace was cut too far back. However, the spray down that I did, it looks really good. I know it's a simple look, but I wanted to add some curls to it so y'all could get a different feel for her. The curls are holding, okay? I had my little cheap curl iron up at the highest and was curling this hair and it didn't burn it. So, you know, the highest on this one is, actually it wasn't the highest. It was between 20 and 25. I'm about to go surprise my man at work cause, I mean, the kids gotta come too cause you know, they on break, but let me see how much this is because I don't wanna get excited for nothing. I do have a 25% discount code. Let me get my calculator real quick. It says that my wig should be 146 and they got 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 inches for this unit. It's a 7x5 by knots Yaki straight Wear&Go glueless wig. Listen, I'm not gonna say that you have to buy it, but I'm also not gonna say that you don't. This one in this length and texture is a very affordable option for your wig arsenal. Daddy Papa is tired, his wallet is burnt out, so this may be one that you grab for yourself. Okay, happy holidays. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Klaiyi Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.